Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a few numbers. 3, 31, 313, 31,354, 313,544, 31,354,445, 330,544,451.
Okay.
3,135,444,512. La Couche. 313,544,451,222. 31,354,445,122,212. 330,544,451,222,125. 3,135,445,221,254. 313,544,000,000. Wait, no, 544,221,222,125,454. 313,544,451,222,125,425,000. 454,543. Haven't used a single day in this except for that one. 313. 16 was it? I always get mixed up with these. I think it was sextillion. 330 sextillion, 544 quadrillion, 451 quadrillion, 222 trillion, 125 billion, 454 million, 543,328. These three numbers actually in order in numbers. I'll put them in order. Woo! Woo! 313 septillion, 544 sextillion, 451 quadrillion. Wait, let me start again. I'm not sure. 313 septillion, 544 sextillion, 451 quadrillion, 222 quadrillion, 125 trillion, 454 billion, 543 million, 328,638. 313 octillion, 544 septillion, 451 sextillion, 222 quadrillion, 125 quadrillion, 454 trillion, 543 billion, 328 million, 678,792. 313 million, 544 octillion, 451 septillion, 222 sextillion, 125 quadrillion, 454 quadrillion, 543 trillion, 328 billion, 678 million, 792,792. 544 million, 451 octillion, 222 septillion, 125 sextillion, 454 quintillion, 543 quadrillion, 328 trillion, 678 billion, 792 million, 793,113. 3 last numbers, which are going to be 3, 3, and 3 for the last 3 numbers. 313 undecillion, 544 decillion, 451 nonillion, 222 octillion, 125 septillion, 454 sextillion, 543 quintillion, 328 quadrillion, 678 trillion, 792 billion, 793 million, 113,333. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.